Hey guys, are you ready for today's March 14, 2021, 7:22 a.m. Central Time? I am fucking nauseous over this because it's going to affect millions of people that do this. You are about to get an unexpected tax bill, and it may be pretty hefty depending on where you fall on this spectrum. Anyone who does gig work, okay? Follow me here because it may be you and you may not even consider yourself to do gig work. Uber, Grubhub, Etsy, eBay, any online marketplace, okay? All these little jobs that people have been taking or opening up stores on eBay and Etsy and those places to try and offset their income in which they lost last year. Be aware, this year, you are about to get fucked big time. This is what happens. The current law through the IRS is you have to make $20,000 a year in order for a company to report you to the IRS. You will then get a form called a 1099-K, which you use to file your taxes. Mass majority of people who do gig work for random shit never reach that $20,000 threshold. There are about 2 states, Massachusetts and somewhere else, that currently have this wonderful below threshold of $20,000, which the government just changed it to. Here's the deal. You know this wonderful, awesome, quote, COVID dumbass bill the liberals passed that they are so goddamn proud of, that they were all cheering and clapping, and Nancy Pelosi sitting at the fucking front of the head of the house dancing because she's so excited. Schumer and Nancy Pelosi about fucking came in their pants in the Rose Garden, and they're talking about it like this is the best thing that has ever fucking happened. This is the most liberal bill that has ever happened, said Jen Psaki in the fucking press briefing room. I am sick and nauseous over this bill in general. The amount of stuff that is in it that is non-relatable to the rest of America is ridiculous. American Rescue Plan Act of 2021. What I'm talking about is, and I didn't know this, I did not know this existed in this bill, because it's how it's written, and because I didn't read every little single line of this bill like I normally would, because it was just so ridiculously complicated. I had to look up so much law. So honestly, I kind of gave up on it to a degree, which apparently I shouldn't have done, but it would have passed anyway because I'm just one fucking person. But anyway, Section 9674 is known as, it's under Miscellaneous Provisions, Part 8, Modification of Exceptions for Reporting of Third-Party Network Transactions. If you go to that section, remember, the threshold was originally $20,000 through the IRS. It has been that way for years. In fact, it may have been that way for decades. Modification of exceptions for reporting of third-party network transactions. In general, Section 650WE of the Internal Revenue Code of 1986 is amended to read as follows. A third-party settlement organization shall not be required to report any information under Section A, which you'd have to look up the law to know what A says, with respect to third-party network transactions of any participating payee, if the amount, which would otherwise be reported under subsection A2, with respect to such transactions does not exceed $600. What does that mean? Very simple. If you make $600 doing gig work for anything, multiple places, your ass is now going to be reported to the IRS. You absolutely will be getting this 1099-K. So guess what? You better start putting away some of that fucking cash that you're making on all those gig works, because you no longer fall under the $20,000 threshold. It is now the $600 threshold. So get ready to get a very unexpected tax bill if you are fucking unaware of this and do a bunch of gig work. Again, eBay, Etsy, Uber, Grubhub, anything online that's a marketplace that you have to have a username, okay, and put your information in it. And guess what? eBay now requires your fucking social. Yeah. In order to sell on eBay, you have to give them your bank account and your social security number. So guess what? Everyone on eBay who's selling stuff, if you make over $600 this year, get ready for it. This is Are You Ready For It? Take care, guys. Have a great day.